In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock someone in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then go to settings. After that, tap at privacy, and that's where we can easily find block. If we get into it, it will show us all the users we have blocked on our WhatsApp profile. And right from here we can unblock any user. We can just get into their contact info, and if we scroll down we can find at the very bottom where it says unblock the feature which can help us to unblock them. If we tap on it, that will immediately unblock that user. Also, from here, if we tap at edit, we'll be able to quickly unblock multiple users simply by tapping at that minus sign and tapping at unblock. That's how you can easily unblock someone in WhatsApp.